Hello everyone. Today I want to show you something I made myself, a fully automatic home distilled water machine, super practical. I've been drinking distilled water for quite a while now. At first, I just bought a regular small home distiller. But after using it for a while, I found lots of problems. It couldn't add water automatically, it would easily run dry and overheat, and there was always a strong chemical smell. On top of that, the metal pipes corroded badly and even started leaking. Eventually, that store-bought machine broke completely from dry heating. That's when I decided to build one on my own. Clean, safe water matters a lot for my family's health, so I thought it was totally worth the time and effort. I spent about half a year working on this project in my free time. I looked up tons of information, figured out how distillation works, designed the whole structure, bought all the parts, put everything together, coded the automatic control system, and tested it over and over again. After countless failures and tweaks, I finally finished this prototype. After full testing, it works perfectly. It runs fully on its own with no need for manual operation, makes great quality distilled water, and doesn't need any replacement parts or extra consumables. Now it's a daily essential at my home, making distilled water every day. I'm really happy with how it turned out, so I want to share it with you all today. Let's start with the overall look. Yeah, it looks a little messy right now. It's just an experimental prototype, so I haven't added a nice outer case yet. Still, every function works perfectly fine. This is the main power switch. Press it, and the control circuit turns on. It locks the power automatically, and the whole machine starts running. I used high borosilicate glass for all water contact parts. This way, I can avoid metal corrosion and stop tiny metal ions from getting into the distilled water. The machine can add water automatically, get rid of strange odors, and run the distillation process non-stop. It keeps cycling until the glass water tank is full. It also has a water shortage protection system. If it runs low on water, it will power off automatically and set off an alarm, so it'll never burn out. For heat dissipation, I combined a condenser tube with an air-cooled radiator. No metal touches the distilled water at all, and it doesn't need running water for cooling. It's really easy to use and place anywhere at home. You can see it's making water right now. The heating power is only 800 watts, so the production speed is a bit slow. I just make enough in advance for daily use, and it works great. My water tank is also high borosilicate glass, with a 2.5-liter capacity. After running for a while, we've already got plenty of clean distilled water. It's such a handy and useful little machine. Alright, that's all for today's video. Hope you like this homemade project. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any ideas or suggestions. See you next time.